Alrighty then. Alright, welcome back to Buck Does It. This is part 2 of the body work. I'll be doing welding and stuff today, and so hope you enjoy. Alright, let's do a little finish up welding here. Alright. Okay, here's where we're at. Smiley face. Anyway, I didn't get to record me welding all this in here, which you don't want to see anyway because it's mostly bubble gum. You can see that. Anyway, I got some dressing up to do there yet, and but all in all, not bad. I did burn through right here. There was some thin rust there yet, but otherwise, you're looking pretty good. This is no Barrett Jackson car, so let me just get the holes cleared up here, and I might weld a patch in there. I may not. I might just put some fiberglass. I have fiberglass I'm going to use here first before the Bondo. I still have to do a little bit of metal work here. It's a little dip, and it's a bulge here, so probably warped the metal as I was welding it. I have a piece of metal that I want to put right in here yet too. Got to cut that down and then weld that in there. And another hole right here to fill in. So that's about where I'm at. I'll show you as I go along. I put the inner fender well in here. I had to patch in some pieces here. A piece here, and a piece here. And then that'd be inner wheel well. I still need to do some more welding in here, but I got her stitched in pretty good. So that's all looking good. Next, let me shut this light off. Next, I got to, you can see I cut in a little too far, but you got to do this whole corner here. I'm debating on whether to buy another repair panel or just try to patch this in. So that's where I'm at. Let me shut this light off too, or maybe bring it out here. And there's where I am there. I put some fiberglass in there. So that's my next steps. I did just pull off. I just did cut off another piece, but I don't know why, because this one here is he's pretty well rotted, but I might be able to get some chunks out of here to put in there. I know that's seems like a lot more work. Here's the other piece that I took off that inner fender well, and that's pretty well shot too. I mean, I got a good chunk right here. Because of this shape is why I kept it. So that's where I'm at. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Zap this thing right in here. All right, cool. Let's see if we can baz that in there. Put it in shape there. Yeah. Hey, the shape's pretty good too. Worried about that. Alrighty then. I don't know if you can see that at all, but a little pitch here, a little patch there, a little patch there. I only got this little bit here yet to go. And then the little schmutz, the grinder down, schmutz her up. Like I said before, this ain't no Barrett Jackson car. We gonna be alright. I feel pretty good about it. I was getting worried there for a while. You want to see a close-up? And then all my bubble gum. Getting too old for this stuff. Little beans, Joe. Little patchy there. A little patchy down here. Alright, battery died, but I did go and grind it down. I am by no means a metal worker, but I can get some fiberglass, fill these holes and stuff, and then a bit of Bondo, and I'll make it look pretty decent anyway. Alright, here's what I cut out of here. You can see the whole wheel well, and then that's the bottom piece I cut out, and then I also cut the back corner off. That's what I used to patch that side, and this is the parts left. You You'd see like a jigsaw puzzle of the pieces I used to put that together. I know it would have been easier if I would have just got a quarter panel and cut a wheel well out of there, but I couldn't find the inner wheel well anyway, so I thought, well, I'll just cut in piece. That's what I did. All right, this is where we made it to. I got the fiberglass on there. I just did a rough grinding just to get the sharp edges off so I don't get caught on my clothes walking by. There we go, up underneath. Oh, I guess you can't see. There we go. Not too shabby. Get a look down the side here. I guess I don't know if you can see it or not in the camera, but it looks pretty good. I'd do some shaping in here. That's about it. If they could get a little shot from here. All right, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.